I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, without you by my side I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
But there's just one thing I need to wrap my head around, yeah. I don't know if I can take another date and end up by myself, make a movie, it's time for you to step up. Yeah, it's now or never. Tonight better be the night.
Diamonds on the beach on a girl trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor.
Lately nothing goes in my direction. Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the
How was I to know if I let you go, it'll be alright? Only goes to show you never can tell how it's gonna be. How was I to know if I let you go, it'll be alright? Only goes to show you never can tell how it's gonna be. Why am I here? Why do I feel like an idiot? I can see clear. I will not give in to the bitterness. Thoughts are crowding in my mind. I wish that trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
lately nothing goes in my direction. Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection